Who remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be? In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
and the producer!
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Hey! Crumb Boss and the producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Gretchen, it's like vomit! Like, people don't eat that! It totally stinks! So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready! Hold on to your crumb buns, cause guess what's coming back? Yay! Better, bigger, and so much more exciting! Wait, one more thing! Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at House TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. So, Crumb Boss, we've had so much success with vanilla buttercream, and right now we're gonna make what?
Chocolate buttercream.
Chocolate buttercream. How to make chocolate buttercream with the Crumb Boss.
That's right. It's very simple. All you need is Crumb Boss recipe buttercream and some melted chocolate. And
Episode 64 on Crumb Boss TV. Yes.
That's right. So it's very simple, but what you guys are going to have to do is go back to the episode of how to make Swiss buttercream with the Crumb Boss. And then
I have a question for you. This is a really important question. I think you call it Swiss, other people call it Swiss, other people call it vanilla. Holy! Oh my God! Holy crap!
There's another bee. He must have just woke up. We've gotten through about 4 hours of filming.
Yes.
No bees.
Oh my God!
He just woke up.
Oh my God!
It's all right. It's all right. It's cool.
I'm gonna cry. Okay.
What was your question?
Okay. There's.
Regroup.
Okay, Steph, please regroup. There's a bee in the store.
There's a bee in the bonnet.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so I'm just gonna hide behind this giant dough machine. So, basically, people call it vanilla buttercream.
Yeah.
Some people call it Swiss buttercream.
Right.
Why is it called vanilla Swiss? And why are you looking at the ceiling? Is the bee over there?
I'm just looking around.
Gretchen, I swear to God! The bee better not be by me!
It's not.
I can't get stung, that'll end it! It'll end all episodes! Why is it called vanilla and why is it not called Swiss?
It is my particular recipe is a Swiss vanilla buttercream. It's just vanilla. It starts out vanilla. There's a vanilla extract in the recipe.
Yeah.
And so it's vanilla.
Okay.
Once we add chocolate to it, it becomes chocolate.
Okay.
So, yeah, what you guys are going to have to do is go back to the episode how to make vanilla buttercream with the Crumb Boss, or however you named it, Swiss buttercream. So basically, you're going to take, this is probably about a quart in here, which I think is probably what that recipe yields, maybe a little bit more.
Yeah.
And this is going to be about 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate that I've melted, and I'm just going to pour right into there.
Okay, as I'm patrolling and trying to film you, so I'm looking for a bee.
And you want to mix it in fairly quickly because you don't want to have chocolate chip buttercream.
Yeah.
And you know you don't want your chocolate to start to solidify before you've mixed it in properly. So see that right there?
There you have it.
Chocolate buttercream. See how
Chocolate
easy that
buttercream,
was?
very simple.
Yeah.
And now you're going to go over here and put it on the chocolate cupcakes.
Yes, that's right.
Which is episode 72, or 73, or 74, or 75.
Just search out chocolate cake with Crumb Boss, and you're going to search out anything. Plus Crumb Boss on YouTube, you're going to find all our videos.
Yeah, exactly.
We've
It's
done
so
over
simple.
130 videos so far.
Yeah, and we're doing 17 million.
Great.
Oh,
so
cool.
there we have it.
Very nice. Look at that. That looks really pretty. Ooh, that looks nice.
And, you know.
So it must
any
taste
occasion.
a little different from just the vanilla
Oh,
buttercream.
it's good. Anything
Yeah.
chocolate, in my opinion, is better than vanilla.
Yeah.
I went ahead and got some little hearts because I'm feeling in love today.
He's in love.
I made some chocolate buttercream cupcakes with little heart-shaped confetti.
For Miss B.
The bee's right behind.
Oh no, Gretchen! Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's on your head.
Stop it, Gretchen! Alright, I gotta
All right,
go.
everybody. Crumb Boss.
YouTube. Crumb Boss.
Facebook, Global, everything. Get
YouTube. Crumb Boss. Crumb Boss.
it. YouTube.
You dope.
I don't know this game. You didn't tell me what to do.